So I don't know if anyone else in the world finds this interesting, but these are some more fun finds that I found in the wall at our rental. So, New Haven Evening Register, Friday, October 26th, 1956. There we go. Eisenhower smiled happily at GOP rally in New York. Now you can see this paper's seen better days, but I was able to piece together some of it. Sears, and check it out, all for $1. Stock up on these values. Saturday only, just $1. Buy these terrific specials. 22 caliber bullets, 3 for $1. Here shows the hockey players, 3 of the new players for the New Haven Blades in the opening game of the Eastern Hockey League. Oh, here's Villanova. Sorry. Right. Yukon. There we go. Awaits Delaware. Club at Stores. Oh. Wait. There's more. But look at this. All new Zippo. Slim lighter. Check it out. All new. Funny. And the want ads. Again, you can see it is from the New Haven Register. This was Friday, October 26, 1956. It's so easy to place a want ad. Oh, television programming. And of course there's radio programs. Is this stuff cool to you or what? I love it. Tonight. Stay tuned.